Ever thought about starting your own event space business? Today, we're diving into the steps to get you there. Imagine being the go-to spot for memorable events, from corporate functions to dreamy weddings. There's immense potential for profitability in this industry, not to mention the satisfaction of bringing people's visions to life. Plus, the benefits of being your own boss are endless. So, are you intrigued by the idea of launching an event space business? Ready to get started? Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. Step 1 in starting your event space business is researching the market. This is the bedrock of your venture, where you'll begin to shape your business concept into a reality. It's crucial to understand the dynamics of your local market. Are people in your area in need of more event venues? What types of events are most popular? Next, you'll need to identify your competition. Who's leading the race and what are they doing right? What gaps exist in their services that you could potentially fill? Remember, you're not just competing on price. You're competing on the uniqueness of your space, the quality of your service, and the overall experience you provide. Lastly, consider the demand. Are there enough events happening in your area to sustain your business? Don't just think about today, but also the potential growth in the future. Solid market research sets the foundation for a successful event space business. Once you've done your research, it's time to create a business plan. Creating a solid business plan is akin to laying the foundation of your event space business. This roadmap will guide you through the initial stages and continue to serve as a touchstone as your business grows and evolves. First up, your business plan should include an executive summary. This is a concise overview of your business, its mission, and its unique selling propositions. Think of it as your business's elevator pitch, providing a quick snapshot of what your event space business is all about. Next, your business description dives deeper into the details. Here, you'll outline your business's legal structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or an LLC. You will also detail the type of event space you are offering, the services included, and your target clientele. The market analysis section is where your research will shine. You'll detail your understanding of the event space market, your competitors, and your place within this landscape. Highlight your competitive advantage and how your business will stand out among the rest. The organization management section outlines your team and their roles. If it's just you running the show, detail your credentials and experience. If you have a team, describe who they are and their responsibilities. Sales strategies are crucial. Detail how your event space will attract and retain customers. Will you offer discounts for repeat bookings? Will you partner with vendors for package deals? This is the place to outline these tactics. The funding requirements section provides a detailed account of your financial needs. Be transparent about how much capital you need to start, where it will be spent, and your plans for future financial sustainability. Lastly, your financial projections give a forecast of your business's financial health. This includes projected income, cash flow statements, and balance sheets. It's a snapshot of your business's financial future. A well-crafted business plan not only helps attract investors, but also guides your business's growth. Remember, your business plan is a living document. As your event space business evolves, so should your plan. It's your guide to success. Location, location, location. It's crucial to your event space business. It's nearly impossible to overstate the importance of this factor. The location of your event space can be a game changer. It's not just about finding a spot that looks good. There's so much more to consider. Firstly, think about accessibility. The venue needs to be easy for your clients to get to. It should be close to major roads or public transportation. Remember, a hard-to-reach location can turn potential clients away. Next, consider the size of the space. It should be large enough to accommodate different types of events and the expected number of attendees. But don't go too big too soon. The cost of maintaining and heating a massive space could cripple your new business. Now let's talk about local regulations. You must ensure the location you choose complies with all zoning laws and regulations. Some areas may prohibit certain types of businesses or have specific rules about noise and parking. Do your homework to avoid any unpleasant surprises down the line. Lastly, there's the cost. While it's important to find a location that ticks all the boxes, it also needs to fit within your budget. Remember, starting a business is a marathon, not a sprint. Overextending financially at the start can lead to problems later on. So, take your time, do your research, and remember, the right location can make or break your event space business. Now let's talk about forming your LLC with Tailor Brands. Creating an LLC or limited liability company for your event space business can provide numerous benefits. For starters, it can protect your personal assets from being tied to your business. This means that in the event of a legal dispute, your personal assets will be shielded from any potential lawsuits or debts related to your business. Forming an LLC with Tailor Brands is a straightforward process. Their team of experts will guide you through each step, ensuring that you understand the ins and outs of the process. They'll assist with everything from drafting your articles of organization to filing them with the appropriate state agency. Additionally, Tailor Brands will help you create an operating agreement. This document outlines the structure of your LLC and defines the roles of its members. It's a crucial component of establishing your business's legal structure. What's more, forming an LLC can lend credibility to your business. It shows potential clients and partners that you're serious about your enterprise. It might even open doors to financial opportunities, like securing loans or attracting investors. It's also worth noting that Tailor Brands can assist with obtaining an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. This is a unique number issued by the IRS that you'll need for tax purposes. Forming an LLC with Tailor Brands gives you peace of mind as you start your event space business. It's about taking the right steps to protect your investment and ensure your business's long-term growth and success. With your LLC in place, it's time to obtain necessary permits and licenses. Now, you might think this is a tedious process, and you'd be right, but it's also a crucial step in setting up your event space business, ensuring you operate in full compliance with the law. So, what permits and licenses will you typically need? Well, for starters, you'll need a general business license, which allows you to operate in your city or county. Then there's the building permit, necessary if you plan on making any structural changes to your event space. If you're going to play music or host live performances, a music license is a must. And don't forget the food and beverage permit if you plan to serve food and drinks. But how do you go about obtaining these permits and licenses? Here's the deal. It varies from one location to another. Some states and municipalities have centralized licensing departments, making the process somewhat easier. In other areas, you might have to visit several departments. It's a good idea to check with your local Small Business Administration office or Chamber of Commerce to get specifics for your area. And remember, staying compliant is not a one-time thing. You'll need to renew your permits and licenses periodically and stay updated on any changes in regulations. This might seem like a lot, but it's all part of running a successful, law-abiding business. Being fully licensed and permitted ensures your business operates within the law. So let's get those permits and licenses in order, shall we? Finally, let's discuss marketing and promoting your event space business. This, my friends, is where the magic happens, where your business comes alive and starts to breathe on its own. Marketing and promotion are not just about selling your service. It's about telling a story, creating a connection, and building a relationship with your potential customers. And in today's digital age, a strong online presence is paramount to achieving this. Imagine your website as your digital storefront. It's the first interaction many customers will have with your business. So make it count. Ensure it's visually appealing, easy to navigate, and filled with high-quality images of your event spaces. But your online presence doesn't stop there. Social media is your best friend in this journey. It's not just about posting pictures and videos, it's about engaging with your followers, responding to comments, and creating a community. Then there's the power of partnerships. Collaborating with local businesses can help you reach a wider audience. Consider partnering with caterers, event planners, or photographers. They can recommend your space to their clients, and in return, you can do the same for them. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth referrals. A happy customer can be your best advertiser. Encourage your customers to share their experiences on review platforms and social media. Effective marketing and promotion can propel your event space business to success. Remember, it's all about creating connections, telling your story, and building relationships. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your event space business. From market research to crafting a solid business plan, finding the perfect location, setting up your LLC with Tailor Brands, obtaining necessary permits and licenses, and developing a robust marketing strategy, we've covered it all. Now it's time for you to take that first crucial step. With passion, planning, and persistence, your dream of owning an event space business can become a reality. Start today.